I'm back with this part 2. In the first part we tested the hard drive on this Dell Latitude 5530 laptop, and it took us 1 minute and 16 seconds to boot into Windows. So I've just put in the SSD drive. SSD drive is Samsung 840 EVO SSD drive, and I'm just going to boot up and see how quickly we can log on to Windows. So let's start that. This SSD drive has a SATA 3 6 GB per second interface, and the previous hard drive that had a SATA 2 interface. So gonna have here we go. So you can see just logged onto Windows like just 25 seconds. It's really fast. I've done some benchmarking as well, which I'm going to show you that how quicker the SSD drives are. So first I'm just going to show you, I've done some benchmarks on SSD. I use a software called ASSD, and here you can see the screenshot read and write is like nearly 500 megabyte per second, and these one you can see as well, and the score was like 961. After that I've used another software called Dell, and with that I've got screenshot write speed up to 464 megabyte per second, and read was 481 megabyte per second, and the random one you can see is like nearly 60 megabyte per second, and read was 33 megabyte per second. And I've run the Samsung Magician software as well, and showed up to 550 and 535. Read is 550 and write is 535, and then random read is like up to 94889, and read was 71044. Now I'm going to show you how much difference you can see in SSD drive and a hard drive. So I've done the similar test on a hard drive with the Dell. Here we can see, close this. Here we can see on a hard drive I was getting sequential write up to 68.3 megabyte per second, and read was up to 64 megabyte per second. As you can see, there's a big difference between these two. Similarly, you can see the random is like quite lower, and this is quite high here. And also took the system-based Windows score, which I'm just going to show you. This is with the hard drive. Just gonna zoom into the hard drive. I was getting up to 5.9 for hard disk. So disk transfer rate is 5.9. I'm just going to open the SSD now. I'm going to show you what kind of rate we're going to get. And then here you can see it's up to 7.9. So it does improve your system performance as well. Another thing I must say is with SSD drive opening application, I'm just logged into Windows. I haven't opened any application, so you can't say that they're running in the RAM. And look how quickly it's going to open a program. So if I just click on Internet Explorer, it's just in the RAM. Any couple of other softwares, just click, it's open Firefox. It opens program really quick. Let's see this one. It's just like everything is in RAM, and it's just happening straight away. It's really amazing, but it's running from hard drive at the moment. It's not from RAM. I just make this video to show you guys how quick your system could be if you use one of the SSD drive. I haven't tried any other SSD drive. I've tried this Samsung 840 EVO, and it's really fast. And I also have tested this SSD drive on some of like dual core, a little bit older laptops, and it did makes a lot of different booting up and opening applications. So yeah, it's good thing to go for. I bought this SSD drive for £140. I think you can get this from Amazon and eBay for around 150ish, and I think worth of buying it. It's because it's going to make your system a lot faster. Hopefully it's helpful to you guys. So thanks for watching, and thank you. Bye bye.